Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We will actually get into something that's pretty simple today. We just want to return the sheet name or the tab name into the worksheet. So we want to get what it says down here, and this worksheet is named Sheet of Dreams. So in order to do this, we can hit equals and then cell. And then the info type that we need will come from the file name. So we'll select file name, then hit tab. And the reference can be anywhere on this sheet. So it could be any cell. I'm just going to do A1. And we'll hit Control Enter to stay in that cell. So we see that the folder path or file name, this is the complete folder path for this workbook, and the sheet name is at the end here. So we need to extract just the sheet name from this string, from this text string. So the easiest way to do that is to do equals and then mid, and then we will start out with, actually, I'm going to copy this formula. So the text that we need to evaluate is this above, and we could even reference the cell just itself if we wanted to, A1, either way. So we'll just do it this long way. And the starting number, so with string functions or text functions, they evaluate or return the number of characters. So we want to start at the capitalized S, the first character of the sheet name. So we want to find this ending bracket here. So let's do the find function, and then we'll do the open quote, and then close bracket, and then close quote, and then again within this text. And again, we could just do A1, and we'll see that that works as well. And the starting number will be 1. So the starting number in these find functions is where do you want the find function to start evaluating within this string. So we are going to, so again, in the mid function, the starting number here is within this text string. So we want to start all the way at the beginning. And sometimes there's instances where you would want to start further within the text string if you may have duplicate characters or symbols. So we will close parentheses. And then we need to add 1 because this will return the number of characters all the way to the bracket. We want to start with the S, or the first character of the sheet name. And so we'll do a comma for our last argument of the function, and the number of characters will be 31 because that is the limit within Excel. So that you cannot have a tab or worksheet name beyond 31 characters. And we'll hit Control Enter, and that returns the worksheet name, Sheet of Dreams. Hope you guys like this short video. Please like and subscribe. There's more videos to come. Thank you very much. Have a great day.